Everyone, just would like to show you how we recreate this simple chignon hairstyle, and it's have a simple pleat to the top. First, a section a little bit off the crown of the head and split that into 3 sections. Then we're going to bring the left section in the middle and the right section in the middle, and just pick up a little bit from the right and a little bit from the left section and bring that into the middle again. And you carry it all the way to the bottom of the hair. It's just so simple to recreate this style. When I get to the bottom, all I'm going to do is just tie it with an elastic band, nice and tight. When you finish that, I just spray with some texture spray and pinch and pull out the pleat a bit just to give it a bit more volume to it. You can leave it if you prefer to do that, and then smooth it out a little bit. Split the bottom section in half, and then all I'm going to do is use a donut to it. Pin it nice and secure. Use as much bobby pin as you need to give it nice and secure. And then I use a little bit of texture powder and then back comb that a bit just to give it more volume to it, and bring that left section over the donut. Pin that nice and secure. You use as much bobby pin as you need. Pull that top bit out a little bit, and then I use some more texture spray. All the product I use will be in the description below. Then twist that right section a bit and bring it over the donut to the left side. Tuck that away, and then you pin it away nice and secure. Spread out the bottom section just to hide the donut a bit. Then take the right section we have left out and pin that under. There you go, nice and secure. And then tuck all the hide away we got left over. Smooth this both sides again with a tail comb. And then spray with some texture spray just to hold it down a bit. And this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Hi everyone, this is just a simple hair bun for today, and I use a Topsytail for this hairstyle. It takes less than 3 minutes to recreate. First, I take a little section from the crown of the head and then section that bit and use a little bit of texture powder. All the product used will be in the description below. And then I back comb that bit, that section and the top section. Just back comb it slightly, but it's entirely up to you if you want to have a back comb. And then smooth it out with my tail comb. Smooth it out nice and smooth, and then I use a little bit of hairspray, spray on top, and then I smooth it out with my hairbrush, nice and smooth. And then tie away with a clear elastic band, nice and tight, nice and secure. And fan it out a little bit down to the side. Next, spray a little bit of hairspray and pinch and pull the crown of the head just to give it a bit more volume. It's entirely up to you if you would like to pinch and pull it out a bit. Nice and high. Then I spray some more hairspray and then take the brush and smooth all of it out and hold it in your hand and tie away nice and secure into a ponytail all of the hair. Then I use a Topsytail, put it in between the ponytail and tuck that inside. And you have something like that, and then you pull it through under, bring it over to the side, and then pin that away nice and secure with some bobby pin. Then I use a little bit of wax spray, spray on a bit, pinch and pull that bottom bit a bit just to give more volume, and then split the ponytail bit in half and twist it together to the end and tie that away with some clear elastic band. Spray it with some hairspray and pinch and pull it out a little bit just to give it more volume to it, nice and big. And then bring that around from the right section to the left section. Tuck that away with some bobby pin, nice and secure. Use as much bobby pin as you prefer. Lovely. Then I use some more hairspray, spray on, and then pinch and pull that out a little bit just to give it a little bit more volume. It's all in the eye. And then I use some more bobby pin. I don't open the bobby pin. And then at the side to frame the face, it's curly with my GHD. And this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. Hi everyone, this is an easy chignon hairstyle. First I take a little bit of texture gum in the palm of my hands and then rub it together and then smooth it all over the hair. And then you comb it out with your comb just to smooth it all out again. Then tie it with a clear elastic band, nice and secure. After I finish that bit, I just take a little bit off the bottom of the ponytail and smooth that out with some texture gum. And then comb it out a little bit. And then all I'm going to do is use my Topsytail just to tuck away the ends. And then wrap that together on the clear elastic band so you wouldn't see it for later. All the way around, and then the little end that I've got, I just tuck it through the Topsytail and then pull it through into the ponytail so you wouldn't see it. And then I use a little bobby pin just to tuck it away nicely. Use as much as you need to. And then you have like a little ponytail at the end, and just all I do is pick the entire hair up and then roll it in the palm of my hands all the way to the bottom of the ponytail. And then use some more bobby pin and then just pin that all away nice and secure. Use as much pin as you need. Then I spray it a little bit with some hairspray and then pinch and pull the crown of the head just to give it some volume and lift to it. And that's where the texture gum come in handy. And this is the finished hairstyle. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I will be very grateful. Thank you very much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I hope you like this hairstyle. Thank you for watching.